I've been using the Zmodo app to check my cameras and smart devices, but when it suddenly stopped responding, I had to find a quick fix. If your Zmodo app isn't working either, here are 2 effective ways to get back online. Let's start with an easy workaround. Use the Zmodo web portal. Sometimes the mobile app can crash, freeze, or fail to load video feeds, especially after updates. Instead of waiting for the app to work, just open your browser and go to user.zmodo.com. Log in with the same credentials, and you'll be able to view live feeds, manage devices, and access your account settings right from there. It's a great backup option that works well when the app is acting up on your phone. Now here's another thing that might be causing the issue: your VPN. If you're connected to a virtual private network, especially one located outside your home region, the Zmodo app might not connect properly to the servers. This can result in login errors, blank screens, or camera feeds failing to load. Try turning off your VPN completely, restart the app, and then log in again. In many cases, removing the VPN fixes the issue instantly. That's how you can troubleshoot the Zmodo app in just a couple of steps. If this video helped, be sure to give it a like, subscribe for more quick tech tips, and check the description for useful links. Thanks for watching, and stay connected.